Hey guys, Mark from Lister Motorsports in Troutman, North Carolina. This is a 71 El Camino 350. It's got factory air conditioning. It's also got factory tinted glass. It's automatic on the column. It's got factory rally rims. Everything's pretty much stock on the whole car. I'm going to go around it and show you everything. I'll probably do 3 videos, one of car running under the hood. You can check everything out. And I usually do one with me driving. It's a very straight car. I'm told it's had one paint job in its entire life, and the older gentleman that had this car was, I believe, in his 90s, had put this stripe on here many years ago. That's paint, not a decal. No rust in the bed, just some leaves. And when I buy these cars, I usually open the tailgate and I look, take a good look to see. Hope you can see that. I mean, there is no rust. That's a leaf right there. Zero rust. Everything closes real nice. Nice gaps. Everything's just very good shape. I'm going to turn the car around. I got the sun going the wrong way right now, so I'm going to do a second video. We'll see how this one comes out. We get to the interior. Beautiful camel brown bench seat. Sure, there's a lot of glare, so I'm going to redo this whole thing. We'll see how this comes out, though. Yeah, I waited too late in the day to do this video. Very straight car, no rust, no dents. A couple of little road chips, nothing crazy. But I can be reached at 704-508-2150. My website is buyasoutherncar.com. I'm going to be adding a bunch of pictures and some videos of this car. If you're interested, give me a call. Thanks for looking.